The Health Department confirms 2 new cases of Mpox in the country. That brings the total number of Mpox cases to 12 with 2 active cases. The 11th patient is a 37-year-old male from Metro Manila, while the latest patient is a 32-year-old male also from NCR. Both of them admitted to having close, intimate, or skin-to-skin contact. With this, the DOH says there's already a local transmission of Mpox in the country. Nako, dalawa. Kaya nga kahapon kausap natin si DOH spokesperson, 'di ba, yung mga ibang local unit, 'di ba, na nagde-declare kaagad na merong suspicion. Wag daw agad-agad para kailangan natin malaman muna kung talagang, 'di ba, ma-test at saka natin sasabihin. May dalawa. Ngayon dalawa na eh. Oh, diba? So ingat-ingat na lang po tayo dun sa mga guidelines na mga binibigay ng DOH. Yan po ay ating dapat laging inaalam at gagawin, ha?
Okay na?
Alright, okay na.